bone.
531 to Christchurch, all passengers should now be at gate 29 for immediate boarding. Thank you.
What's up? How are you?
That's better. No mai, haere mai ki o tautahi. Welcome to Christchurch, everybody. We're actually here for a whanau wedding, but it came down a couple of days early and snuck in a little bit of business and some YouTube as well. And welcome to season 2, Wahine. We're going to take 10 episodes to talk about the most important thing to us, why we do what we do at Ngahere Communities. If you haven't watched episode 1, definitely go back and watch it. Go on, I can wait. Press pause, go watch it, and then come on back. So to understand the story of Ngahere Communities and to understand the heart we have for Indigenous women, for Indigenous people, for South Auckland, you kind of need to know the backstory. This all starts with a story about two best mates, Māori women, Bob and Bob. So Bob and Bob is a story about friendship. Two friends that came together, decided to live life alongside each other, help each other out, bring the best out of each other, and ended up in business chasing our dreams together. And it's always been our dream to empower ourselves and to empower our friends, empower all of those of our people, of Māori and Pacifica people, but even more so empower women to be able to chase their dreams, understand their potential and push it forward. Like honestly, people are amazing. They're so creative. We have so much within us that we have to give and to share, and everything that we do with Ngahere Communities feeds into that passion. And so we're really excited about this new season that we're about to embark on. So now we want to tell you a little bit about the story of Fia. We love you, Fia.
No one owns the water. No one owns the lands. No one owns the ocean.
Fia's amazing. Yeah, it's Sunday morning. We had the wedding yesterday. It was a beautiful wedding. Congratulations to my nephew Kanohi and his new bride Sarah. Thank you so much. Your new bride. Thank you so much for inviting us. We had an amazing time. And yes, I am a little groggy this morning, to be honest. We've known Fia and her sisters and her brother for a long, long time. Since she was really young, probably still at high school, at primary school actually. And Fia showed pretty early on, she showed an interest in photography and videography, and so across our group of friends and our community, people started believing in her interest and her talent real early. And Fia shot her first wedding, which was Mel's wedding, Mel and Mike's wedding. It was beautiful. You did a great job, Fia. Fia then went on after graduating from Epsom Girls. She went on to AUT and sat her Bachelor in Visual Communication Design, and she graduated at the end of 2019. And throughout that whole process, we've tried our best to get Fia involved in the jobs that we've done. She's worked really hard to hone her craft. She's an excellent photographer, an excellent videographer, and this year, 2020, was the year that we could finally offer Fia a paid job. And you would have seen already a whole bunch of the work that Fia's been doing for our Ngahere Communities brand. She's amazing. And then, when it was time to set up Ngahere Communities, we needed to add someone to the team who had a special skill set that neither Mel nor I possessed. A skill set and a passion. It needed to be someone that was meticulous, organised, compliant, like loved to do things like keep things in order, keep people in order. And so we reached out to one of our very, very, very good friends, Becky, to see if she'd be interested in joining the Ngahere Community teams. Now Bex is someone special.
Welcome to Auckland. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items could fall out.
M is for Tim Manor, leaving carnage in his wake wherever he goes. If you see Manor in Parra, be prepared to be booed. Oh, hello guys. Didn't see you there, Fia. Welcome guys to What Beck Said. I'm not worried. It's a new year and I'm pumped. And I bet you can't tell who my favourite team is. I've got some tissues here for all the Warriors supporters out there. So this is just a few of my stuff.
It's ugly!
I've got all seasons, or like, you know, if you get a bit cold, you can have a onesie. Ta-da! You can have some shorts, or you can have a skirt. I got that especially made. 2020, what Beck said, is going to be new and improved, exciting. And I've already got my spray ready for all the haters out there. You know who you are, Marcus Lafu. Smells nice. And I'm going to have some guests come along. I actually had one last week who came and contacted me because she needed some content from me. And I hate the Warriors. I'm sorry. Do you? I do. I'm sorry.
Get her, Melody.
I'm the Warriors. And so my husband gave me really terrible feedback about my segment. So
There's no structure at all. She's just mumbling.
I'm going to ask Melody any tips to make my segment amazing.
So when I select people for TV, the most important thing is that they are authentically themselves. So don't be fake, be yourself.
That's exactly what I am.
Yeah, and smiling, because Kiwis, we talk like this, and for some reason we talk like this. If you just go like that, you just feel so much better. And if you've got an opinion, say it.
It was a terrible game, and New Zealanders, well, they cried themselves to sleep.
Exactly, Clint. I do all three. I'm authentic. I say what I want. And what was your other one?
And an opinion.
Yes, I speak the
smile.
truth. I speak the truth. It's what makes me sweet.
Told you she was special, eh? We love our Becks. So there's two more people we need to introduce you to. Vila and Juanita. This is Juanita. I was recording. Say hi. Say hi. No to either. Juanita, who's actually really good friends with Fia, is just a young champion that's coming up, and we needed someone to fill a gap in what we were doing, and she is the perfect person. So Juanita's going to be helping Bex out, and you're going to see heaps more of her in the day-to-day running of Ngahere Communities. And this is Vila. And this. Say hi, Vila.
Oh, hi.
Vila's been a friend of ours for many years, was one of the first people to invest in our Tākoha crowdfunding campaign, and has been an awesome supporter, gets involved in what we're doing. And she's now in her second year at Life Leadership College, and we're pretty lucky that she is doing her practicum with us this year. So she's with us 2 days a week for the rest of the year, working on a very new project that we've got coming out we'll tell you about real soon. So that's our team. We're super proud of our team, we're so happy with our team. It is an amazing team, and the thing that we're the most pumped about is that we're actually seeing our vision unfold right before our eyes. It's amazing. We'll see you guys next week.